With how the weather is right now in my hometown, it feels like Christmas today. So, with my shave, I'm going with Stirling Christmas Eve and Stirling Christmas Eve aftershave balm. This soap balm smells amazing, has like a warm feeling to it, and on a really cold day like today, it feels perfect. My razor, thank you once again, Carlos. I appreciate this so much, is a Merkur 30C. I'm going with the Gillette Silver Blue for my blade. And I understand I do not have to soak this. It's becoming a habit now though. I'm going with my Simpson T3 synthetic brush. I need to thank everybody for the kind words and the love that I've been getting. Because I've shaved off everything and basically it's my full face, I've been getting a lot of praise and I appreciate that. Thank you so much. I also need to say, if you could go ahead, like this video, comment, share it, subscribe to the channel, that would be most appreciated. And of course, come follow me over on Instagram where I have even more content. And I've also gone ahead and created a Facebook group. All that info will be down below in the description, and products that I'm using today will also be down below if you feel like picking yourself up anything for this upcoming holiday season for yourself or as a gift. My Leaf pre-shave oil will be getting the party started. Merkur 30C, first pass with the grain. Now that I'm basically doing a full face shave, I have a lot of people since my last video. And by the way, I will have something up above or somewhere where you can watch that last video if you like. Basically saying, hey, are you going to be clean cut from now on? Are you doing a full face shave? I don't know. I am going to do it for the next little bit, more or less to get used to shaving my upper lip. But I do miss the goatee. And in the winter, believe it or not, it kind of comes in handy. I just pushed way too hard. Gave myself a little nick right here. First pass is done. As you can see, I think I've had better first passes. I've only used this razor once, so I just need to be more mindful. I will never be negative towards wet shaving soaps, razors, brushes, anything wet shaving related. I do my best to not be negative towards it because once again, what works for me may not work for you, and what I love, you might dislike. Now, one thing about the Merkur is, yes, it has a short handle, but I do like the black grip. I do like the weight on it, and the size kind of makes it easier to maneuver, if that makes any sense. I just feel maybe like I have more control. It's quite a nice razor. Once again, Carlos, if you're watching this video, thank you so much. I truly appreciate this. I apologize for the new camera angle. I had some technical difficulties that was unable to be fixed. Second pass, across the grain. So today with the mustache area, I'm going to try across the grain, but I may switch it up to just going with. Second pass, not too bad. I don't quite understand what I'm doing up here, but I'm learning. We're getting there, right? You guys have been helping me out too. I appreciate it. All the tips and recommendations you guys have been giving have been amazing. Because I've been so focused on the shave, I haven't really mentioned much about the soap. This Stirling Christmas Eve soap is fantastic. It smells so good, lathers so nicely. You guys make some good stuff. Third pass, against the grain. I gotta apologize once again, guys. My hand, I don't know how to angle myself so you guys can see what I'm actually doing. I apologize, I'm trying to work on that. I tried the against the grain on the upper lip. I'm not even gonna bother with that yet. I'm going with the grain. Okay, third pass is done. Let me share some rookie things with you guys. If you're new into wet shaving, every razor can be different and every razor blade can be different. In this shave, using the Merkur 30C, it is my second time using it. As you can see, I've got a little bit away from myself. I was pressing a little too hard on this razor. So obviously, I got a couple of nicks. This one was the first nick that I gave because I was trying to maneuver the razor in under the nose and I pressed down way too hard. These right here are all on me. I take responsibility for this. Obviously, I'm the user. I'm the one that will make the mistakes. Parker's Alum Block. Now it has been brought to my attention that my face looks really red in these videos. It is my camera, and I think my settings when I edit makes me look a lot more red. It's not irritation. Like right now, my face looks what it would normally look like. So thank you for pointing that out. It's definitely the camera. Maybe while I'm editing, I add too much red to it or something. My Thayers. Lastly, Stirling's Christmas Eve aftershave balm. Alright guys, the end of the shave. That was fantastic. A lot of learning there, and I'm excited to learn from my mistakes. I get to go back while I'm editing to figure out the do's and the don'ts and work on my technique and my shave. I'm so glad that you took the time to watch this video. I appreciate it. You have yourselves a great shave, and I'll see you over in the next video. Take care.